Okay, let's start. Here we have 3 months now, for 3 months now, so we are answering the question how long, and if something started in the past and has been continuing until now, we need to use the present perfect continuous tense. So I have been trying to complete this jigsaw puzzle for 3 months now. Why? To feel somebody's forehead means to check somebody's temperature and see if somebody is sick or not. So, and this is happening at the time of speaking, which means that here we need to do, why are you feeling Annie's forehead? She's an experienced teacher. By October, this is by October, that means that this action will be completed in the future. So it will have completed by October. So here we are talking about present perfect. So by October she will have been teaching. Oh, it's for 15 years, so it's future perfect but continuous. By October she will have been teaching for 15 years because we have the time period, and I told you in the movie about perfect tenses that when we talk a period of time we need to use present perfect continuous. Okay. I really can't afford to go on holidays this year. Afford is connected to, so can't afford to go on holiday this year. Okay, I was wondering if you could help me. She cooked all day when Tom came with some fish and chips. Okay, so Tom came, that's past simple, and before that she had been cooking all day. So before that she had been cooking. She had been cooking all day when Tom came with some fish and chips. How do you like your meal? Well, it's different. It's the first time I have eaten sushi. When we talk about how many times we have done something, we need to use present perfect. So it's the first time I have eaten sushi. If they had taken an umbrella, so that's third conditional here. But here we have now, so we know that this needs to be a third conditional with second conditional. So here we need to use second conditional, and we know that second conditional is past simple. So they wouldn't, past simple plus would. So they wouldn't be wet now. So if they had taken an umbrella, they wouldn't be wet now. He is the only employee here who, and here we need to use a present perfect in the passive form. So who hasn't been given a bonus yet. I regret to inform you that you failed once again. I regret to inform you that you failed once again. So when we use regret with inform, usually we want to use to. So I regret to inform you. Okay, no sooner. This is a structure we discussed during the inversion class. So arrived home from hospital, then, remember that you need then after no sooner. So no sooner had they arrived home from hospital than their younger daughter fell ill again. Money be the source of all evil. Money, no sooner had they arrived, la la la. So past perfect and then in the second part. Money is not the source of all evil. After a lengthy interrogation, he denied. Denied is connected to ing. So after a lengthy interrogation, he denied being. This is kill. So he denied killing Mr. Banks. Deny plus ing. The kettle is still warm. Someone. Here we are expressing probability. So when we are expressing probability, we want to use a very strong probability, like almost a certainty. So we need to use must have because it's in the past. I discussed this in during our lesson about modal verbs, so you can go and have a look at the handout. It's all in there. Someone must have been in our house. I really can't risk failing this exam. I'm leaving to Spain in 2 days. Okay, so that was a nice exercise, and I will see you in the next one. Now, in the next one, we'll be discussing subjunctive. So repeat subjunctive. I discussed this during one lesson. Have a look at your notes, and then we'll proceed to exercise 2.